Hello everybody, my name is Nicholas and today I decided to introduce to you traditional Georgian meal Chakhokhbili. It's very easy to prepare, it's simple and very tasty. So let's go through ingredients. In this recipe we need one entire chicken. So we get rid of the skin and we cut the chicken in medium-sized pieces. Not too small, not too big. We will need salt, pepper, 2 bell peppers, bunch of tomatoes, and if canned tomatoes, sliced tomatoes would be perfectly fine. I'm also using red pepper, but it's for spice. If you don't like spicy food, you don't need to add it. Also, dried pepper will be perfectly fine. We'll also need 3 cloves of garlic, 4 onions, and a bunch of parsley. So the first step is to put the chicken inside the pan. So just throw it inside. Don't need oil or anything. Just throw it in. Even though it's called Chakhokhbili, which means stewed pheasant, we are using chicken. It's good enough. Next step is to cut the vegetables, but first cover the pan and don't forget to stir it occasionally, stir the chicken. Let's start with bell pepper. History behind Chakhokhbili is that before Tbilisi, today's capital of Georgia, was founded, Georgian king Vakhtan Gorgasali was hunting in the area nearby, and he shot pheasant. The pheasant fell into warm water, and when he took out, it was half the way cooked. And people made Chakhokhbili from the pheasant. Chakhokhbili means stewed pheasant on Georgian language, and the city was named Tbilisi, which means warm on Georgian language. After 40 minutes of cooking in a medium fire, chicken should be almost cooked. This is how it looks like. You see, it's almost cooked. And now we need to add bell pepper and onions. Ten minutes later, this is how chicken looks like. It's time to add our tomatoes, salt and pepper. Cover it and let it cook a little bit more. You smell that? Add parsley, garlic, and pepper. Now we turn the fire off completely. Looks really nice. Really good. That's awesome. Thank you very much for your time and have a nice day. Enjoy.